Turning around English. Mastering, turn in. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, with our spotlight on the phrase, turn in. So, if you've been wondering what turn in means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, stay tuned. When we talk about phrasal verbs, the first thing to remember is that they are idiomatic expressions, which means their meaning often isn't literal. In the case of turn in, it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with turning, in a physical sense. Turn in is commonly used in two main ways. 1. To go to bed. When you decide to end your day and go to sleep, you turn in. For example, after a long day at work, I usually turn in early. 2. To submit or deliver something. When you hand over a piece of work, an assignment, or perhaps a criminal to the authorities, you turn it in. For example, I need to turn in my essay by tomorrow morning. Now that we know what turn in means, let's look at how we can use it in different sentences. When talking about sleep, I'm feeling quite tired. I think I'll turn in now. Don't stay up too late. Make sure you turn in at a reasonable time. When talking about submitting something, I have to turn in my project proposal by Friday. The police officer asked the thief to turn in his accomplices. It's time for a quick practice exercise. Try to use turn in a sentence related to both sleep and submitting something. It can be about your personal routine or a fictional scenario. Remember, practice is the key to mastering English phrasal verbs. And there we have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to confidently use the phrase, turn in your English conversations. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs greatly enhances your English proficiency, so keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep turning your English skills up a notch, and as always, happy learning.